Would it be better to restore this bus behind me? Or would it be better to part it out? Let's see. Let's take a walk around. So, this is a California bus. This is the original paint on it. You can even still see the original German sticker. So we've got original paint, California bus. It's also very solid and rust-free, meaning that there is no cancer rot. You'll see some surface rust, but the cancer rot is either cut out like this or just non-existent. This was the worst part. Or actually, no, I'm sorry. Right here was the worst part because it was hit in the front in the 80s, and then it just sat in the original owner's backyard. And so because it was hit, the cracks let water come in here and let that rust happen. But again, is it worth restoring or parting out? Because you could purchase a front clip. I have the doors already. And then you could polish this thing up. Like, it might be a shame to part this guy out. What do you think? I mean, let's say if we do part it out, we've got a motor case. A motor case has value. The transmission's manual and works. That has value. The doors, the sliding doors, super straight. The windows. This rubber floor mat is excellent. I mean, the thing just sat. The middle seat I have already sold. It was flawless, gorgeous. The back seat is also in great condition. Headliner has seen better days. I guess this was an AC unit. I'm assuming that is really, nice and intact with no cracks. If somebody wants something like that to restore theirs. So there's, change right there. And then, of course, the front dash, that's a big item. This one's beautiful. Probably $1,000 easily. And then you got the steering wheel, maybe another 150. These door panels are like freaking original and beautiful, like perfect. I am assuming the other one on the other door is now ruined, but it just kind of gives an example of how clean this thing was. It was just closed up in a time capsule. I even have the original title from the original owner. So what would you guys do? Restore or part it out? I don't know. I'd love to restore it, but what do you think? Me personally, I may unfortunately have to part it out because I need space. So I may start selling the dashboard, the back seat, the engine case, the transmission, maybe the sliding door, all the things of major value. I might start selling it all off. Or just sell it all at once, but who knows, right? Let me know what you think, guys. If somebody wants to restore this thing, I will talk with you and would love to make a deal to see it restored and not just part it out. And the front clip that's damaged, I have a front clip for it. So I'll give it to you at a very, very good price. I believe they're $500 or $600, and I'll just throw it in for a couple $100. All right, guys. There it is.